Guys, welcome back with the third puzzle, the last puzzle in this additional. But we have also two puzzles in the puzzle page. So yeah, we have three puzzles to go, and I've already solved two puzzles: the letter Sudoku and the two-star Sudoku. But it's not in today's newspaper of Monday, January the 21st, 2023. No, it's the weekend edition. Yes, the weekend edition of Saturday, January the 21st, 2023. The letter Sudoku I've solved, the two-star Sudoku. So now it's time for the Tectonic with one star. Tectonic with one star. All right. Come on. Yeah. And this will be number. Let me see. Number 5840. 5840. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 17, and it's indicated with one star. And for one star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is really a one-star puzzle. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. Here, single box, always a 1. Dual boxes, do we have here in this puzzle? Dual boxes here. Only one dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes, 1 and the 2. Next question, triple boxes. Do we have here triple boxes? Let me scan. Triple boxes, no triple boxes in this puzzle. Quadra boxes, following question. Quadra boxes, do we have here quadra boxes in this puzzle? Here, a quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, this box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Here also a quadra box. These two boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So one box left for the 3 should be there. Alright. And the other numbers could be everywhere. More quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the T shape. We have here a T shape upside down. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. But also that box has the same name as this box. So that box has the same name as this box. The T shape, alright. T shape. Then the following shape. Oh, we have another T shape but rotated. So this box has the same name as that box, and that box has the same name as this box. In this case, it's the 1 or a 2. Alright. More T shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. Okay, so this box has the same name as that box. Do we have more? Here, rotated, and this box has the same number as that box. More? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more here. Rotated. this box has the same number as that box. Another one upside down, so this box has the same number as that box. Of course, it's filled in, yeah, the threes, okay. Here another one upside down, so this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. Upside down, the L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright, more L shapes? No. Correction. Here we have a L shape. Rotate it. This box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape. Oh wait, this box has the same number as that box. The following shape. Well. How about this shape? This one I have not draw this here. This is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. And here, this box has the same number as that box. Oh, apologies. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yes, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 that you need to recognize the shape. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes, figures, structures, or constructions? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Well, we have a double 1 here and a double 2 in there. That means that those two boxes can be double 1 or double 2. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any one in one of those two boxes. Or a 2 here, I cannot fill one of those two boxes with a 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 1 or a 2. And this box is also connected with that box, should be also 1 or a 2. So two boxes left in this T-shaped area for numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Okay. Then. Let me see. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Well, I cannot place the 1 here because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of the two boxes. So the 1 should be here and the 5 goes in there. Okay, these two boxes can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. But we already have a 3 here. So this box can be a 3 anymore. So the only place left for the 3 should be here. Okay. Then these two boxes can be a 4. So one box left for the 4 should be here. Yeah. Oh, overlook this one. I've marked those two 3 boxes with 1 or a 2. It can be a 1 because we already have a 1 here. So this box should be a 2. It's connected with that box, should be also 2. And this box is also connected with that box, should be also 2. We have a pair here, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box should be a 1. It's connected with that box, should be also 1. One box left in this dual box for number 2. These two boxes can be a 1, so one box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and 5. Yeah, let me mark those. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 4. Is connected with that box. Should be also 4. Is connected with this box. Should be also 4. Connected with that box. Also a 4. Alright. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Well. Well. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 3. So the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this quadrat box for number 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 4. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. Oh, these 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 2 to 5. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Well. Let me think. Ay. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3. Oh, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Overlooked this one in the beginning. So these 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area. It should be there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 5. Let me mark those to 3 and 5. 3 and 5. That means that this box cannot be a 3 or a 5. Because we have a double 3 there. Double 5 there. So the 3 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. So I've eliminated the 2 here. So the 2 goes there. Okay. Let me think. Well. Okay. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. Let me mark those 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. 4 and a 5, we already have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Then. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Told you need to be faster than 50 minutes. And we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again later on with the other 2 puzzles. Yes, we have 2 puzzles left. The Sudoku with 1 star and the binary with 10 by 10. Yes. See you then. Bye bye for now.